Hey guys, I'm Rishabh and welcome to SobeRish. Today we have for you a delicious and effortless cocktail which we like to call the Berry Smash. So this cocktail will be incredibly helpful for you when you're calling people for a house party. First up, take a shaker and pour about 60 ml of vodka. Come on top of that with some cranberry juice. Some ice. And just a splash of lemon. After this, give it a good shake. Once you're done shaking, get out your glass and add some ice. Now empty your mixture in the glass. Come on top of that with some Sprite. After your Sprite, give this a good stir. So there it is guys, the Cranberry Smash. You can add some garnish on top, but this in itself looks really nice. And this, as I told you earlier, is a simple yet very special drink. If you enjoyed the Cranberry Smash, you should definitely give this a try. Like the video and share it with all your friends. Until next time, cheers!